Good morning. You are a business and you are your only business. You're either running your business or your business is running you. And just because you're busy doesn't mean you're making progress. And just because you're working doesn't mean you're effective. So, right now, you're going through a change, you're shifting. It's a mental and an emotional and a spiritual shift. You are not the same, not even from yesterday. And right now, you've been here before. This time, you don't want to repeat. So, I've designed a 10-day turnaround to pivot you from where you are right now with the tools you currently have into your next evolution. Why did I do this? Because I have been here before and I have done this again and again, where I have been exactly where I want to be and I stop and I regress and I don't move forward, and it was driving me bananas. So I designed this course to move myself permanently out of that place where I was moving into a place of constant evolution. And this can be what you can do too. This is very simple. It requires you to do the work. That's the simplicity of it. You have to do the work. And you already know you can do the work because you got this far. How do I know? Because you're here. So every choice, you are either in a situation, evolve or repeat. Every single choice. That's it. Evolve or repeat. So you choose your evolution. Not tomorrow, not next month, right now. Click the link below. I am ready. It's right down there in the description. Click it and get started with your free 10-day turnaround. Lead like your life depends on it, because it does. Live deliberately. Namaste.